The lights are low, the storm has passed away. I walk through shadows, through the dark and gray, but looking in your eyes, I see my kingdom's light. And baby, everything's gonna be alright. Lord, it was a long and lonely road, carrying such a heavy, heavy load. Oh, it's the melody of the crown. I finally laid my heavy burdens down. With you by my side, the gold shines true. My heart is the throne, and my queen is you. They said the throne was broken, lost to time, but loving you, darling, was my only crime. Now the scepter's heavy, but my soul is light, because you held me through the darkest night. Lord, it was a long and lonely road, carrying such a heavy, heavy load. Oh, it's the melody of the crown. I finally laid my heavy burdens down. With you by my side, the gold shines true. My heart is the throne, and my queen is you. So let the trumpet sound, or let the silence fall. I don't need the glory, no, not one bit at all. Just the sweetness of your kiss, the peace within your grace, is the only kingdom I ever want to embrace. Lord, it was a long and lonely road, carrying such a heavy, heavy load. Oh, it's the melody of the crown. I finally laid my heavy burdens down. With you by my side, the gold shines true. My heart is the throne, and my queen is you. No more fighting battles, no more lonely wars, just the gentle rhythm of your heart behind these doors. My reign is over, my peace has just begun. Underneath the moonlight and the morning sun.